Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can change your video into animation by using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. First of all, you need to upload your file. I'll click on local file. Here I'll select this video and let's wait until it's uploaded. So it's uploaded. Here it will show me the output. So here are the results. Let's see. Now I'll play both the videos in front of you. You can see the difference. By clicking this icon, you can download the video. This is how you can change your video into animation by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.